Hi, everyone. My name is Miss Essie. I'm a speech language pathologist, and I've been working in the industry for 28 years. I've worked in sensory gyms, schools, hospitals, and my absolute favorite, early intervention. I've had the privilege of working with many speech language pathologists, educators, and occupational therapists. In my years of experiences, the challenges that I have seen families face include the wait lists growing exponentially to enter the early intervention system. Families are feeling frustrated to help their children with their communication needs as they await a professional to assist them. I've also noticed that while in the early intervention system, families are feeling they are struggling to implement the strategies they are learning to help their children throughout the week when the professional is not available. I've also noticed that the transition out of early intervention can be a time of overwhelm and a bit scary. Families have to wait to get into the school systems for their children, and that lapse in time again creates some anxiety to help their children with their communication needs. I want you to know that Junganew is here to support you. Junganew helps develop pre-verbal skills, speech and language skills, and as we continue to create content, early literacy skills. We do this using evidence-based play techniques. Play is the foundation for all learning for children. It helps develop an ability to retain the information more efficiently and more effectively. It is the number one most important tool we have to help our little ones. We use a multimodality approach, sensory stimulation, and musical strategies to help our children to learn. Research has shown us that musical strategies is a proven way to help children learn their speech sounds much more effectively than drill learning. Additionally, we use social emotional skills for learning. We teach our children positive affirmations and mirror work to help boost their confidence for overall improved mental health. All of these are great supplemental strategies to implement alongside your child's ongoing education. I would like to present this pyramid model of early intervention. First, you will see the foundation of learning is regulation and social engagement. Then we have receptive skills, next, expressive skills, and last, speech sounds. Junganew uses a bottom-up and a top-down approach to help ensure that all of these skills can be learned by your child through watching our videos. Junganew uses puppet pals and hand cues to assist your child to make associations and connections as they are learning their speech sounds. This multi-sensory approach helps your children to retain their information and integrate the left and right hemispheres of the brain, building neural networks. Each episode is formatted as a mini speech and language therapy session. The release order date is formatted to target the most simplistic to increasingly complex speech sound productions. We organize our sounds in terms of placement in the mouth. Some sounds are lip sounds, some sounds are tongue tip sounds, and some sounds are back sounds. These are just a few examples of the way we categorize our sounds for learning. Although Junganew is viewed to engage the child, it is also an opportunity for parents to watch, learn, and implement some of the techniques and strategies we use as they play with their children. As we all know, parents know their children best, and you have an opportunity to be your child's best play partner. The most important thing is that you connect and bond with your child, and you can create fun for the whole family. Stay tuned because we have some exciting things on the horizon. A library of all the speech sounds, vowel play, and the formation of our first words using our puppet pals to help us. All of these help to promote early literacy. As a growing creator, I am excited to announce that we are in the process of developing a Facebook community where we will have an opportunity to speak with a panel of therapists and educators and have one-on-one conversations with families to address any concerns you may have with your individual child. Be sure to engage with these videos, like and subscribe to Miss Essie Junganew YouTube channel. And remember to turn on your notification for weekly video updates. Welcome, and thank you for allowing me to be part of your child's exciting learning adventure. And welcome to the land of Junganew.
For more videos like this, be sure to like and subscribe.